How's your food, love?
Good.
Good? Good morning, everyone! It's 4 o'clock in the morning. We were awake. We woke up at... What time was it, love? What time did you wake up, love?
2:30.
2:30. Trevor woke up 2:30. I woke up
3:30.
3:30. Yeah, and then Nanay woke up early too, and she cooked this. It's a banana cue. It's a banana with sugar,
Brown sugar.
brown sugar.
Caramelized.
Yeah, caramelized brown sugar. There's Nanay. Good morning, Nanay.
You're on YouTube.
So, with torta made by Aunt Renha. Good morning, love. Coffee.
Maayong buntag.
Maayong buntag. How's the banana queue?
Very, very good.
Good.
It's awesome.
Awesome, awesome. Do you love it here?
I do. I love the quiet and the solitude.
Solitude. It's a solo-tude. Solitude. Today, what's the agenda for today? We are going to town.
Unfortunately.
Look, sunburn. I was driving the bike from Tagbilaran. How long was the ride? 2 hours? And almost 3 hours actually, because we stopped somewhere. Yeah, I was riding the bike, Tatay's bike. We bought him a new bike, a small one. And I was driving it from Tagbilaran, from the city where we bought it, to here. And it was very, very hot. So I got sunburn. And my hand, I did not wear, what do you call that? Gloves. And my hand got sunburned too. It's sting. Here. Sting. Right, that's all for this video.
Di man naman sa mamaak
Yeah.
sa atong kuan. Ane na sila.
Indication of a rainy season.
Dili para sa ani na mamaak man siya. Kani siya dili.
There. There's a lot of them flying. Yeah.
What are they?
They were ants before.
No, where they fly.
Ants, and then they have,
And then they grew wings?
yeah, they grow wings.
Doon na na anay. Patong ba din patong?
How long is rainy season? From August to when?
December.
To December.
Yeah.
That means we can't come here till December.
We can come anytime.
Here we come in October. That means we got 2 months of rain.
Yeah, there's one here stuck. Stuck on the web.
Sit still long enough for you to film it.
Hey, hey. Good morning. We are here at Garden Cafe for breakfast. Push. There's Trevor there. Not me, not you. Look at her rose. It's neat.
Maayong buntag.
Tama siya maayong buntag.
Starbucks Pike Place roast.
Oh, they have Starbucks. Ay, not available lang. Only the Pike. Oh yeah, there's a Pike Place roast. Kana ko na yahagang.
Coffee.
They have hot panini sandwiches. Look.
this is what I like, man. I like places like this.
And how's your coffee, love?
Good.
It's good. It's like American coffee.
American coffee.
Yeah. And this is my hot choco. It's a real cocoa. You can taste the real cocoa. Okay. The hot chocolate is good. The hot chocolate. Nanay.
I heard yesterday.
Nanay got rice.
She got fries.
Rice.
Oh, I
She
thought
got
you
rice.
rice with pancakes.
And then there's the panini.
You gotta have rice every time, huh?
The toast is very good. And it's very thick. How's your food, love?
Good.
Good? How'd you like it?
Good.
Good. How's good?
Good.
What's good in Bisaya?
Good.
Mayo.
No. La.
I don't remember.
Lami.
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 Lami. Ali, motor. This is the outside. They're still renovating the place. And then you can stay here too. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, and subscribe. Bye bye.